everybody in this list is looking to make money online. So basically, they have a list of people for me to, it's like thousands to send on a daily basis. All right, y'all. So I'm just here to show you, just wanted to show you what my routine is on a daily basis with the Cliqly program. And this is the Cliqly, this is the, as you can see here, this is the Cliqly Pro. It says send emails every day to the list we loaded into your system. So they have, Cliqly is a really proven system. They have a list of over 14 million people that has subscribed to, um, online income, um, making money online type, you know, type thing. So they want to make money online. So everybody in this list is looking to make money online. So basically, they have a list of people for me to, it's like thousands to send on a daily basis. And you're required to send 15 emails a day. As you can see, this one is in queue. This is sending. This is sending. This is sending. So, and that's how you make your money, because when they click on the links, you get paid. So you're paid per action by them clicking, not even purchasing, just them clicking. Okay, and you also get a chance to build your own list. So you can see, I'm going to go to the next step here, and then I'm going to just pick one of the creatives. It rotates anyway, so if you keep picking the first one, it's going to be different emails. But I'm just going to pick this one. It says, hey, subscriber name. I'm not going to keep you because there's no time to lose. I have access to this brand new free software, and you can get in. So they have like proven emails, a whole bunch of them, that you can send. So I'm going to select this one, and then so I'm going to select this one. Let me just go back up a little bit. And then you're just gonna click on it. It auto-fills your name. So I'm gonna click my name and then send this email to my list. So I'm gonna send this to my list and confirm here. Okay. So this is sent to my list, and so you can see it adds to the queue. So another one. So it's gonna reload, and I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Okay. It's gonna reload to show what has been done. Okay. So it's showing that. Okay, so this was sent. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've sent 5 thus far. So this is just the routine. And then when I'm done sending those 15, I'm gonna go to my Cliqly list building. So with this one, I have to send two, two bulk emails, and each one has to have 40,000, 20,000, to make it, or 5,000, 4 times. Sending 5,000 emails 4 times to make it 5 times 4 is 20. So make it 20, or you could just send 20,000 2 times. I mean, to make it 40. So you're gonna do. So it already has new subscribers here. So new people. So my subscribers are basically people that have clicked on the links that I've sent already. So they're already kind of like familiar with my emails, because they have already opened and clicked on it. So I'm gonna put 20,000 here. I'm gonna put 20,000 and go to the next step. So just so you can kind of see the routine and see that it's not really a big deal. It's very easy. Select this email, and then click. Okay, it's gonna fill in my name. I'm just gonna scroll down. Send this email to your list, to my list. It's gonna send the email to my list, and click here to. So it's gonna send that, and then I'm going to. Um, okay. So I'm just gonna wait. Um, okay. In queue for the 20,000 new subscribers. Okay, and you can see here that I had 178 people open my email. That's a lot of people for the 25th. I didn't send any on the 24th, and then here's the 23rd. So I'm gonna go back and send another 20,000. Okay, so I'm gonna send another 20,000 people. So these are people uh, that are basically subscribers. So 20,000. I'm gonna scroll down and go to the next step. Okay, and just pick one of the emails, any one of them. Um, Fine. Select this email. Um, my name. Scroll down a little bit and send this email to my list. Okay, so you're sending 40,000 to your list emails, and okay, so just wanted to just show you the pro and the Cliqly list building. Okay, so that's basically what happens. So I'm gonna go back to the pro and continue sending my emails. I have about 10 more to send to my list. Okay, so I hope you learned something. If you're new to this um, channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're looking for a way to money online, this is like a really cool way because you get to build your list, and we know that the money is in the list. So if you're looking for like a make money online, or you've been searching for programs, affiliate programs to make money online, this to me is really like it's a really great proven system because I mean it's groundbreaking to have all these subscribers already like all vying to make money online. So, I mean, you're already like a step ahead of the game, like several steps ahead of the game. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description if you wanna go ahead and you know go ahead and test out the program. It's free to start. You don't have to pay for anything. It's free to start, and you can just go from there. Okay. And um, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.